everyone, Mr. Murkage here, and today is just another video going over the overview of the new update for my Skype tool for those who want to see it. So yeah, for those who own it, just open up the Skype tool and you'll get the new update, and for those who don't, you can get it at the website below or on your screen now. So yeah, here's a list of all the changes that happen this update. So I'll run through a few of the main ones for you and show you what they are, how they work. So let's start off with the tool, which I'll open up now, and while we're waiting for that to load up, I'll show you the website. So yeah, I want to quickly note that you can now pay in Bitcoin. So for those of you who don't have PayPal, because I know some of you are too young to have it, or some people just don't have it, they're limited, you can use Bitcoins if you have them. So if you come on the site, this is actually a live price of the current $5 value of it. So what you'd do is you'd copy this number, go into your wallet and send that number to this address, and once you're done, you just want to click this and it will open a chat with me on Skype, which you can tell me you've paid, and I'll give you the tool. The reason this process isn't automatic is because it's Bitcoins and I want to be sure that I actually got the payment first. So yeah, if you want to use Bitcoins you can. I know this video says, or the site currently says $5, but if you come to me first, then I'll give you a discount if you're paying in Bitcoins. So that's the deal currently if you want to pay in Bitcoins. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for that. So let's go back on with the video and open the tool up. You'll see that the stressor is still unavailable, but it's actually built in now. It's unavailable. Like, I can remotely switch this button on, so you can actually use the stressor at current points when I enable it. When I enable it, I won't really let people know because I don't want it to be overused, but if you do catch a glimpse of it being on, then lucky you, it'll soon be on full time, but I'm just testing the usage of it and how much it gets used to get APIs, better ones. So yeah, that's the stressor. I also changed a few more things to green, like it stands out, matches it. So connected, you'll be green. If you're not, this turns to red. The messages day is now green, and so that is it. I changed the color of some things. It looks much neater now. Like, this goes better than just how it was before in black. Some other things I did, well, the main things is this whole new page here. So what we got here is we got an image file spammer. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can get a file or get an image and you can send it to a contact multiple amounts of times, and if you've been sent a file before, you'll know that it makes this like a pretty annoying sound. So this thing can get pretty annoying if they're not on busy anyway. Again, this feature is in no other tool. You can only get it in this tool, so that is another reason to buy. To the right here we've got reverse text. So you can select the type, you can reverse a message, reverse your mood, or reverse your name. Once you've done that, you only type the username if it's a message. If you select anything else, you leave this blank. The buttons will tell you everything if you get something wrong, so it's all good. So if I was to have the name and press the name, it would say I need to enter the name first. So yeah, that's pretty much that. That's it for the reverse text. Underneath that, we've got anti-copy messages. What this does, you enter a contact name and you send the message to send. What this does is they copy it and all the words go jumbled up, so you can't actually copy it. Well, you can, but it's a bit difficult. It's a pretty cool little feature. It's actually in another tool, but not many. This is probably the second tool which has it in. On the top right here we've got a send and remove message. So you can enter a message and then it will be removed after a certain time. So the maximum is 15 seconds. If you're wondering, 15,000 milliseconds is 15 seconds. So you can pick. So you send them a message, and let's say you got 5,000 selected. After 5 seconds, your message will be removed. So maybe if you want to go on a little trolling spree or something, then you can do that. The next update, I'm actually working on something which, if the user sees it, there's actually something which allows me to see if the message has been seen, and then if it's been seen, it will remove, so they won't be able to read it, or if you're sending them something you don't really want them to be. So that's that. It's another thing no other tool has yet. along with this image mass message, which another tool also has. Again, pretty self-explanatory. You can mass message an image, like whatever you want to. If you have an image to mass message, this is what you'd use. So you get to pick who wants to receive it, or who you want to receive it, and then you select the image, open it up, and then press send, like that. So that is it for the new page, like that. As you can see, I added some more things to other pages, but you can read through this yourself. So that's it for the tool. Yeah, pretty much it's a lot of little things I've done in here, like all this. Like I did a bit more in this little slot here, but I'll open up the bot now and show you the bot. You can see I also did, well, I did actually quite a bit of work with the bot this time. So let's open this up here and let's take a look. So you might notice a little bit different. It's actually a bit shorter because I cut some stuff out, and I've added this new little page here, which is the bot settings. Now in here you can change the bot name and you can change the bot trigger, and you see these commands here. If you can click the red and they turn green. So basically there's a little key down here. If it's red, then the bot will reply default. So when you send a message on Skype, it's on the left or your right, but for the person receiving it's on the left. And if this is green and they trigger the help command, it will be in the center using the /me command. If you didn't know, in Skype it goes in the center. So that's the way you can make the command centered now, by clicking these. So you get to pick individually which one you want, and these will save, so you can close that and open it and you'll see these stay green. So that's all good, that it saves your settings. All of this saves. So that's that for the new tab. Also what I did was added this option here to auto accept friends. So once that's ticked, anyone who sends me a contact request will be automatically accepted, what I'm going to do in the future is let you send them a message back saying you were automatically added, I may not be here right now, or something along the lines of that. So that's that for now. You can auto accept. The activity log I actually made display a lot more. So like, for example, if someone does add you, it will let you know who added you and what time they did. So like, absolutely everything gets logged in this thing, which is on the left here. I cleaned it up, it looks much cleaner now. Over here on the right, I added this little select all button here, so if you click it, it selects them all. Again, if you don't know what this bot is, you can tick a little box and the commands become premium, and if they're premium, only the users on this list can use them. So for example, only I could use this, for now. No one else could use the commands. But if I untick status, for example, anyone can use status now. So that's how that works. That's it for the bot, other than the 4 new commands, 6 new commands here, which all here and being explained. So you can change the name, you can change the trigger, you can translate words, check if an email exists, check if a domain exists, and generate some fake info for somebody. And also, I updated the Skype crasher a little bit, did a bit of work on the terms of service and the website, and I now accept Bitcoin, which I've already been over. And here is a list of known bugs which will be fixed in the next update, of course. So yeah, that's really it for the new update. I mean, if you don't have it, then you can get it on the website below. And that's really it. If you want to use Bitcoins, don't forget, if you contact me first, I'll give you a discount. But if not, just send the live price on the website, and that's it. You'll have the tool. So I hope you did enjoy the video. Sorry it isn't a tutorial, but I like to go over this stuff every time there's a new update, because some people don't know how to use the things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.